I'm just going to hop back into those settings because what I wanted to show you quickly is you don't have to display everything on an invoice or a quote if you don't want to. And you can actually change what your customers see. So if you hop into the pricing layout tab, and I've got quotes selected at the moment, as you can see, I've only got the title of the item I'm adding and the amount. I'm not showing the VAT rates, I'm not showing the unit costs. You can show and hide pretty much whatever you want to do. To turn things on, just make it green. To turn it off, just make it grey. If I hop over to invoices, we actually have pretty much everything turned on, with the exception of the VAT indicator. So if you want to maybe hide the values of each line on a quote, maybe you just want to have the details and the price, this is where you can do that. You can also change it for every single document you send out as well. And I'll show you some of that as we actually go and create some documents.